All right, tilt it slowly now. Steady, steady.
Check the sidewall on this one, it looks compromised.
All right, I'll send it to the repair line. Check this one for the rim. Got it, looks clean.
We're seeing 98% purity on this line.
Looks clean. Let's bump the speed up slightly.
Overhead magnetic separators efficiently pull fine steel wires from the rubber granules moving along the conveyors.
I've stabilized the vortex pressure at the intake manifold.
The throughput looks much cleaner now, well within the parameters.
The airflow looks stable at 95 cubic meters per hour.
Good, the purity levels are holding steady.
Check the throughput on mill 3. We're showing a slight drop in consistency.
Yeah, I see that. Adjusting the feed rate now.
The particle size distribution is holding steady.
Good, let's maintain the current feed rate.
I think that speed works. Perfect, the consistency is right where we need it.
I've increased the frequency, much better. The separation is cleaner now.
The tensile strength on this batch looks promising.
Yes, the elasticity analysis confirms the new compound is stable under stress.
We're maintaining the 40 psi target.
Good. The automated valves are cycling perfectly.
The viscosity is holding steady at 2.5.
And the ratio on the new batch looks correct according to the tablet.
The alignment on this row seems slightly off.
The sensors show it's within tolerance. The coating is perfect.
All parameters are within tolerance. Temperature is stable.
Looks good.
Temperature steady at 180 degrees.
Gauge 7 is fluctuating slightly. Keep an eye on it.
pressure reading on the south roller is fluctuating slightly. I see it. The imprint depth here is still within tolerance, but let's keep an eye on it.
The textured rollers apply immense pressure, imprinting the precise pattern required for high-quality rubber bricks.
There's the fracture on the leading edge.
The system caught it perfectly. The algorithm update is definitely working.
Let's increase the pressure on the third nozzle.
All right, dialing it up now. Humidity levels are stable at 60%.
Good, the airflow is consistent.
The moisture content is within tolerance.
Good, let's move to the next section.
The alignment is perfect on this batch. Yeah, the throughput is exceeding projections by 10%. Good, let's monitor the next cycle.
Check the status on batch 7. It looks like the forklift is ahead of schedule.
Confirmed. The system updated the location automatically.
Go ahead and place pallet 3B in staging lane 4. Confirm placement.
Is this the Busan shipment?
Yes, all 12 pallets are ready to load.
Come here, please.
It seems the Atlantic crossing is delayed due to weather. We need to reroute immediately.
We have a delay on the Pacific route. See this spike here?
Yes. Rerouting through the southern corridor might save us 12 hours.
Bring that one in slow. Watch the side. Okay, copy that. We'll load the next one on the right.
Documents are clear. You may proceed.
Thank you. Goodbye.
These look good, but check the batch number on the third pallet.
Got it. Looks like the consistency is holding up well. Data confirms the specs are within tolerance.
The density on this pallet seems slightly off.
Let me check the gauge.
Bring it back 10 feet.
Setting it down next to the blues.
Looks good right there.
All right, lift it steady. Clear the bed. Bring it over here, set it down soft.
Make sure that edge is flush.
Almost got it. Tap it lightly right here.